So guys, I had to come on here and share this good news. I'm in the kitchen minding my business, just making my breakfast. And I heard the Lord say, you're getting ready to see why I had you waiting. I know this message just ain't for me. You're getting ready to see why God had you waiting. You're getting ready to see why it didn't work out. You're getting ready to see why those people rejected you. You're getting ready to see why those people walked out your life. Yeah, you're getting ready to see why God had you in the season by yourself, isolated. In the season, he had you in a hidden place. Right? You're getting ready to see why. All of this. Why? Because according to Romans 8:28, all things work together for the good for those who love the Lord and who are called according to his purpose. It's all going to make sense. It's all going to work out. Yeah. That what God promised you is getting ready to manifest, and you're getting ready to see why you had to wait.